Welcome. Today, we're going to build a really practical playbook for bringing AI into your business. We're going to slice right through all the hype and turn AI from just a buzzword into a strategic asset, one that actually delivers real, measurable results. So here's our game plan, broken down into 5 clear steps. First, we'll dig into why AI is so much more than just a simple upgrade. Then, we'll tackle the single biggest problem that trips up most companies. After that, we'll map out our strategy step by step. Then we'll figure out how to actually measure our success. And finally, we'll build the safety net we need to handle AI's hidden risks. Let's jump in.
Okay, first things first. Let's get to the very core of what AI actually does for a business. Because it's not just some fancy add-on, it's a fundamental upgrade to your company's entire operating system.
Think about the shift this way. Your traditional systems, they're like a digital backbone. They're strong, they're supportive, and they're great at keeping a perfect record of what already happened. But AI? Well, AI adds a central nervous system. All of a sudden, your business can sense, it can learn, and it can even start to predict what's about to happen. It's the huge difference between just looking in the rearview mirror and actually seeing the road ahead. And this new nervous system starts delivering value everywhere you look. On the operational side, it automates all those boring, repetitive tasks, freeing up your team to do more important stuff. Strategically, it helps you get ahead of market shifts instead of just reacting to them. And for your people, it's totally empowering. They can now get complex answers just by asking questions in plain, simple language. Now, it all sounds pretty amazing, right? But before we get too carried away, we have to talk about the #1 reason these exciting AI projects so often crash and burn. It's a simple, unbreakable rule that trips up almost everyone. It's the million-dollar question, isn't it? And the answer, believe it or not, has very little to do with fancy algorithms or brilliant code. Nope, it's something way more basic. Think about this for a second. A staggering 80% of AI projects fail to deliver on their promise. That's not a 50-50 chance. That's almost a guarantee of failure. And the reason is nearly always the same single predictable problem. And here it is. This is the iron law of AI. Your powerful, futuristic model is only as smart as the data you feed it. If you give it messy, inconsistent, or incomplete data, you are absolutely guaranteed to get useless results. Every single time. And the cost of this garbage data is it's mind-blowing. It can chew up to 1/4 of your annual revenue. It forces your data scientists to waste 60% of their time just cleaning up messes instead of creating value. And it means for every single dollar you invest in AI, up to 80 cents could just be thrown right in the trash. Bad data is the silent killer of innovation. So now that we understand the biggest pitfall, that big, scary monster, let's build the roadmap to avoid it. This is a practical, step-by-step playbook for getting AI integrated the right way. This 6-step plan is your guide, and I want you to notice the flow here. You start with the why. What's the business goal? Then, crucially, step 2 is all about checking your data. This is the non-negotiable step that keeps you out of that garbage-in trap. Only then do you move on to picking a few small, high-impact projects. From there, you build, you integrate it into how people work every day, and finally, you monitor it and scale up what's working. And if you're still not totally convinced about how important data is, just follow the money. A whopping 70% of a typical AI budget goes just to getting the data ready. The actual AI model, the magic part we all get excited about, that's just a tiny fraction of the cost. This proves it. Your project's success is decided in the data, long before the AI even gets switched on. Okay, so you've followed the roadmap, you've launched your pilot project, it feels like it's working, but how do you actually prove its value to the people who sign the checks? So here's a really common mistake. People just focus on simple cost savings. And that's not enough. To get real buy-in, you have to connect your AI project to the things that the leadership team already obsesses over. Growing revenue, cutting costs, getting to market faster. You've got to speak their language. The best way to do this is with a kind of balanced scorecard. You need to show the hard ROI, the direct time and money you've saved. But you also have to show the soft ROI, things like better forecasts or smarter fraud detection. And finally, you connect it to the big picture, the strategic value, like launching new products faster than the competition. All 3 of those together, that tells the complete story of AI's real impact. Oh, and you have to be patient. This isn't an overnight miracle.
You can see some quick wins in just a few weeks, for sure, things like better sales efficiency, but the really big strategic payoffs, the ones that truly transform the business, those can take 6 months to a year to really show up and prove themselves. All right, we've made it to the last and maybe the most important piece of our playbook. With all this new power comes new risks, and it is absolutely essential to build your safety net from day one. With AI, you have to link innovation and responsibility. Thinking about risk isn't about hitting the brakes. It's about installing a world-class navigation system. It's the thing that gives you the confidence to go faster, safely. This whole framework turns these scary, abstract risks into a totally manageable plan. Worried about bias? You audit your data. Worried about model drift? That's when an AI's predictions get worse over time, kind of like an old weather forecast. Well, you monitor it constantly. For hallucinations, where the AI just makes stuff up, you make sure a human is in the loop for anything critical. And for security, you actually try to break your own system to find the weak spots first. See? Every risk has a clear, doable response. So let's be perfectly clear about this. This kind of responsible planning isn't red tape. It's the guardrail. It's what protects your investment, your reputation, and your customers. It's what makes innovating for the long haul even possible. And that brings us right back to the final, most critical question. Because after everything we've looked at, it all boils down to this. The AI revolution isn't going to be won by the companies with the fanciest algorithms. It's going to be won by the companies with the best, cleanest, most well-managed data. So, is yours